Okay, to make the butterfly, you use 2 different colored balloons. You want them blown up the same amount. I usually leave 2.5 to 3 inches uninflated. If they come out where they're different, like these are very slightly different, you can squeeze the balloon that needs the air to go down a little until they're evened up. You're going to come to the nozzle ends of the balloon, twist them together. I always alternate colors because I'm picky. Then you're going to come to the antenna end, and I usually do about 4 inches, 3.5, 4 inches. Twist them together, alternating colors. Then you want to make sure that the length of the balloons that you're using are the same. I grab in the middle of the balloon, and then I'm going to twist closer to this end. Alternating colors again, so what you have is the top part should be slightly bigger than the bottom part. What I'm going to do next is pull the antennas towards me and push them in while rotating them on top, so that what you want is to have these antennas flat, or the wings flat with the antennas on top. Then I'm going to hold the bottom and do that same motion. And so these, sometimes you have to work them in to where you can grab everything in one hand. So the antennas should all be nice and flat. The wings are nice and flat with the antennas on top, and then these bubbles should be underneath. You should have one of these bubbles, one bottom wing, one top wing, one antenna in your hand. And I turn it away from me, take the other hand, grip the other side, twist this whole thing all the way around. Then what I do is I let one of these bubbles come up to the center of the back. One of them is underneath, and then you have your antennas on top. This part is easier to do if you hold it upside down. I twist about 1.5 to 2 inch bubble, and then I'm going to pinch where I twisted. With my right hand, I'm going to pinch here with these fingers, and I'm going to squeeze it through my fist. You can move your hand down and re-pinch and squeeze it through. Basically, you want these to make this bubble go all the way to the end of the shape. And there's your butterfly.